Hi, I'm Mark Needham, Service Manager at Volvo Cars of Queens. First off, congratulations on purchasing your new vehicle. Not only are you driving one of the most notable brands in the automotive industry, but you now have a team of certified technicians at our service center ready to assist you. Our service center is located just a short drive from our dealership at 31 Watermill Lane in Great Neck, New York. Our current hours are Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. by appointment only on Saturday. We make it easy to schedule an appointment online by following our easy steps to choose the service you want. When you arrive to our service center, please notify our front desk that you're here for your appointment. We'll take care of the rest, while you enjoy complimentary refreshments in our waiting area, free Wi-Fi, and complimentary shuttle service within 15 miles of our facility. When your vehicle is ready, you'll receive it freshly cleaned thanks to our complimentary car wash with every service. We also offer a way to make paying for service easier by creating payment plans to avoid any large upfront costs. Please visit us at the Volvo Cars of Queens Service Center for your next appointment. Our entire team is looking forward to assisting you.